Find all triples P, Q, R of primes such that P is less than or equal to Q is less than or equal to R, and 3 to the power of Q plus 2 minus PQR equals 2022. There are 3 variables and 1 equation. We'll solve the problem by narrowing down the range of possible values of P, Q, R. Since Q is a prime, so by Fermat's little theorem, if Q is a prime number, then for any integer a, the number a to the power of Q minus a is an integer multiple of Q. That is, a to the power of Q is congruent to a mod Q. We know that 3 to the power of Q is congruent to 3 mod Q. From equation 2, we have 3 to the power of Q plus 2 is congruent to 27 mod Q. Thus, 3 to the power of Q plus 2 minus QPR is congruent to 27 mod Q. From equation 1, we know that 2022 is congruent to 27 mod Q. Hence, 2022 minus 27 is congruent to 0 mod Q. Since 2022 minus 27 equals 1995, which can be written as 3 times 5 times 7 times 19. So Q can be 3, 5, 7, or 19. Case 1, Q equals 3. From equation 1, we have 3 to the power of 5 minus 3PR equals 2022, which can't hold true as P and R are primes. Case 2, Q equals 5. From equation 1, we have 3 to the power of 7 minus 5PR equals 2022. 3 to the power of 7 equals 2187. By rearranging the equation, 5PR equals 165. So PR equals 33, which can be written as 3 times 11. So P equals 3, R equals 11, as P is less than or equal to Q is less than or equal to r. Case 3, q equals 7. From equation 1, we have 3 to the power of 9 minus 7pr equals 2022. 3 to the power of 9 equals 19,683. By rearranging the equation, 7pr equals 17,661. So PR equals 2,523, which can be written as 3 times 29 times 29, which can't hold true as P and R are primes. Case 4, Q equals 19. From equation 1, we have 3 to the power of 21 minus 19 PR equals 2022. 3 to the power of 21 equals 10,460,353,203. By rearranging the equation, 19 PR equals 10,460,351,181. So PR equals 550,544,799, which can be written as 3 times 7 times 26,216,419, which can't hold true as P and R are primes. In order to avoid handling larger integers, we can use an alternative approach for case 4. Q equals 19. 19 PR equals 3 to the power of 21 minus 2022. Since 3 to the power of 21 is congruent to 0 mod 3, 2022 is congruent to 0 mod 3. So 3 to the power of 21 minus 2022 is congruent to 0 mod 3. Using the addition and multiplication rules in modular arithmetic, we can work out 3 to the power of 21 is congruent to 6 mod 7. 2022 is congruent to 6 mod 7. So 3 to the power of 21 minus 2022 is congruent to 0 mod 7. 3 to the power of 21 is congruent to 8 mod 19. 2022 is congruent to 8 mod 19. So 3 to the power of 21 minus 2022 is congruent to 0 mod 19. Hence, 19 PR equals 3 to the power of 21 minus 2022 equals 19 times 3 times 7 times k. K is an integer which can't hold true as P and R are primes. In summary, the equation has only one set of solutions, P, Q, R equals 3, 5, 11. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.